Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Subaru Outback 3.6R Limited. This comes in a silver exterior with a beige interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, Subaru Outback in 3.6R badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats, and a quick look up towards the front of the vehicle. Memory seats, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, and we do have a push button ignition. Mileage on this vehicle is at 111,372. And we have our navigation, radio, backup camera, climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.